Welcome you all students for today's mathematics class. In today's class we will see about addition and subtraction of fractions. So I have given the assignment sum solution. Check your answers with it. We all know what is a fraction, right? Quantities which represent parts of a whole are called fractions. Now we will see what is addition of fractions. We know what are like fractions. Fractions are called as like fractions if the denominators are equal. Example, 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 6 by 10, 21 by 10. So in all these fractions, the denominators are equal. Therefore, they are called as like fractions. Now we will see how to add like fractions. Now we will do few problems. Look here. When you see here, all the given fractions are like fractions. So we have to add the numerators and we have to keep the denominator as such. So 3 by 20 plus 7 by 20 plus 9 by 20. So we have to keep the denominator as such. So here the denominator is 20 and we have to add all the numerator. So it is 3 plus 7 plus 9, which is equal to 19 by 20. So the answer is 19 by 20. We are obtaining a proper fraction. Okay. So we have to leave it as such. If we get an improper fraction, we have to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. But here we are obtaining a proper fraction. So we have to leave it as such. So the answer is 19 by 20. Next problem. When you look here, both the fractions have the same denominator. So the first fraction is given as mixed fraction. So first we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 by 18 plus 7 by 18. So it is 1 into 18 plus 5 divided by 18 plus 7 by 18. So 1 into 18 is 18 plus 5 will give you 23. By 18 plus 7 by 18. So we have the same denominator. So 18, we have to add the numerators. So 23 plus 7 is equal to 23 plus 7 is equal to 30 by 18. So look here, we can also simplify the fraction. 30 by 18. Both goes in what tables? 6 tables. 6 3s are 18. 6 5s are 30. So it is 5 by 3. We have obtained a improper fraction. So when you are obtaining an improper fraction, you need to convert it into mixed fraction. So if you want to convert an improper fraction into mixed fraction, first we need to divide, right? 3 1s are 3. So the remainder is 2. So it is 3 and the remainder will come above as the numerator 2 and the quotient will come here 1. So The answer is 1, 2 by 3. Unlike fractions. Fractions are called as unlike fractions if the denominators are not equal. In the below fractions, you can see it is 6 by 10, 3 by 5, 9 by 15, 12 by 20. They have different denominators. So such fractions are called as unlike fractions. Now we will see addition of unlike fractions. To find the sum of two or more unlike fractions, first we need to reduce them into like fractions and then we have to add them. Next problem, look here. Here the fractions are unlike fractions. They do not have a same denominator. So first we need to convert them into like fraction. For that we need to find the LCM of denominator. So LCM of 12, 6 and 8. (12, 6, 8). These three have the common factor 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 6, 3, 4. They three do not have a common factor. 6 and 3 have a common factor 3 and 6 and 4 have a common factor 2. You can take either of this. So I will take 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 will not go in 2. So bring this 3 down as such. 2 2s are 4. So when you see here 3, 3, 2. So 3 and 3 have a common factor 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 2 will come as such. So these three do not have a common factor. So we will stop at this step. So the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 24. So the LCM is equal to 24. So now we have to multiply and divide the numerator and the denominator by LCM divided by the denominator. So the first is 7 by 12. So 12 into what number will give 24? 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. So we have to multiply the denominator and numerator by 2. 7 2s are 14. 12 2s are 24. Next is 5 by 6. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So we have to multiply the denominator and numerator by 4. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. Next is 3 by 8. 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So we have to multiply the denominator and numerator by 3. 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. Now we have got the like fraction for every unlike fraction. So it is 14 by 24 plus 20 by 24 plus 9 by 24. So now we need to add. So look here, the denominators are same. So 24, we have to add the numerators. 14 plus 20 plus 9. What you will get? 43 by 24. We have obtained a improper fraction. So the denominator is smaller than the numerator. So this is an improper fraction. So we need to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 43 divided by 24. 24 ones are 24. The balance we will get 19. So it is the remainder will be the numerator and the quotient should be written at the side. So it is 119 by 24. Can you find the sum of the given fraction? Yes, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Yes, you are correct. It is 2 by 4. Next, we will see subtraction of fractions. In that, we have subtraction of like fractions. The subtraction of fraction from a bigger like fraction gives another like fraction whose numerator is the difference of the numerators. Subtraction of fractions. Look here, the given fractions are like fractions. They both have the same denominator. 11 by 30 minus 7 by 30. So we have to subtract them. So the denominator is 30. 11 minus 7. You will get 4. So 4 by 30. You can further simplify it, right? They both have the common factor 2. So they both can be cancelled using 2 tables. 2 2s are 4. 2 15s are 30. So it is 2 by 15. So we are obtaining a proper fraction. So we don't need to convert it into mixed fraction. So the answer is 2 by 15. Subtraction of unlike fractions. In order to subtract unlike fractions, first we need to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions and then we need to subtract them. Next problem. So when you look here, we have got mixed fraction. So first we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then only we can subtract. So it is 5 minus, let us convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it is 2 into 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 into 5 plus 3 by 5. So it is 5 minus 7 2s are 14 plus 1 will be 15 by 7 minus 5 1s are 5 plus 3 will give you 8 by 5. So here you got only 5, which means it is 5 by 1. So look here, we have obtained a unlike fraction. So first we need to convert them into like fraction and then only we can subtract. For that we need to find the LCM of the denominators. So here the denominators are 1, 7, 5. So now we will find the LCM. So look here, 7, 5 have no common factors, right? So they both do not have a common factor. So 7 and 5. So the LCM will be 7 into 5, which is equal to 35. So the LCM is equal to 35. Now we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by LCM divided by the denominator. So the first one is 5 by 1. So 35 divided by 1 is equal to 35. So we need to multiply the denominator and numerator by 35. So 5 35s are 175 by 35. Next is 15 by 7. So 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. So we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. 15 into 5s are 75 by 7 5s are 35. Next is 8 by 5. So 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. 8 sevens are 56. 5 sevens are 35. So now we have obtained the like fraction for every unlike fraction. So now we can subtract them. So 175 by 35 minus 75 by 35 minus 56 by 35. So when you look here, we have converted all into like fraction. So the denominator is 35. So 175 minus 75 minus 56 will give you 44 by 35. So look here, this is an improper fraction. So we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So when we convert this into mixed fraction, 44 divided by 35. 35 ones are 35. So you will get the remainder to be 9. So it is 35, 9, 1. So you will get the answer 1, 9 by 35. What number should be added to 5 by 16 to get 1, 3 by 8? So let us take the number to be x. 5 by 16 plus x is equal to 1, 3 by 8. So we need to keep x in the one side and bring 5 by 16 to the other side, and we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So x is equal to, we are converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 into 8 plus 3 by 8 minus 5 by 16. We are bringing 5 by 16 to the other side. So it becomes minus. So when we solve, we will get x is equal to 11 by 8 minus 5 by 16. So we are obtaining two unlike fractions. So first we need to convert them into like fractions. For that we will take the LCM of 8 and 16. So the LCM of 8 and 16 is equal to 16. So now we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by LCM divided by the denominator. So 11 by 8 is equal to, we are multiplying it by 2. So we get 22 by 16. 5 by 16. 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1. So we need to multiply by 1. So is equal to 5 by 16. Now we have obtained the like fraction. So now we will subtract. So x is equal to 22 minus 5 by 16. So x is equal to 17 by 16. We are obtaining an improper fraction. So we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So when we divide, we will get 1 to be the remainder and 1 to be the quotient. So the improper fraction will be 1 by 16. Therefore, the required number is 1 by 16. Simplification of fraction. So first, we need to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Next is, we need to convert all the fractions into like fractions. Third step, simplify the numerators of the fractions thus obtained. And fourth step, write a fraction with the number obtained in step 3 as the numerator and the common denominator in step 2 as the denominator. And step 5, reduce the fraction obtained in step 4 to its lowest terms. If it is an improper fraction, change it into a mixed fraction. Simplification of fractions. So unlike fractions are given here, we need to simplify them. So for that, first we need to convert the given unlike fractions into like fractions. So let us find the LCM of the denominators. It's the LCM of 12, 8, 16. 12, 8, 16. The three have the common factor 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Again these three have the common factor 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So when you look here, these three do not have a common factor. So we can take 2 and 4. 2 and 4 have a common factor 2. So 3 will come down as such. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So all these three do not have a common factor, and even when you take 2 terms, they do not have a common factor. So we need to stop at this step. So the LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 48. So the LCM is equal to 48. We need to multiply the numerator and denominator of each fraction by LCM divided by the denominator. So the first fraction is 5 by 12. So 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. So we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. 5 4s are 20. 12 4s are 48. So next is 5 by 8. So 48 divided by 8 will give you 6. So we need to multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30. 8 6 are 48. Next is 5 by 16. 48 divided by 16 is equal to 3. So we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. 5 3s are 15. 16 3s are 48. So now we have obtained the like fraction for the unlike fraction. So the first one is 20 by 48 plus 30 by 48 minus 15 by 48. So the denominators are same. So divided by 48, 20 plus 30 minus 15. So what you will get? 20 plus 30 will give you 50 minus 15 by 48 is equal to 35 by 48. So we have obtained a proper fraction, so we don't need to convert it into mixed fraction. So the answer is 35 by 48. So we have simplified the fraction and we have obtained the answer to be 35 by 48. Operations involving negative fractions. So far we have dealt with only positive fractions. Such fractions have a positive integer as the numerator. Negative fractions have a negative integer as the numerator, but the denominator of all fractions is a positive integer. Here is an example: minus 13 by 16 and minus 20 by 11. The numerators and denominators are, the numerator is minus 13 and minus 20. The denominator is 16 and 11. You can see here the numerator is a negative fraction having a negative integer and the denominator is a positive integer. The operations for negative fractions are the same as those for positive fractions. Operations involving negative fractions. So, look here. 3 fractions are given and we have a mixed fraction. So, first we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So, 5 by 6 minus, we need to convert this mixed fraction. 2 into 4s are 8 plus 1. So, it is 9 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5. So, when you look here, we have got unlike fractions. So, first we need to convert them into like fractions. For that, we have to find the LCM of 6, 4, 5. So, LCM of 6, 4, 5. These three do not have a common factor, but 6 and 4 have a common factor 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Bring this 5 down as it is. These three do not have a common factor. Even when you take 2 terms, they do not have a common factor. So, you have to stop at this step. So, the LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 60. So, we have got the LCM to be 60. Now, we need to multiply each fraction's numerator and denominator by 60 divided by the denominator. So, the first fraction is 5 by 6. So, 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. So, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. So, 5 tens are 50 by 6 tens are 60. Next is 9 by 4. 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15. So, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 15. 9 15s are 135 divided by 4 15s are 60. Next is minus 3 divided by 5. So, 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12. So, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by 12. Minus 3 into 12 is equal to minus 36 divided by 5 into 12 are 60. So, now we have obtained the like fraction for each unlike fractions. So, we have got 50 by 60 minus 135 by 60 plus minus 36 by 60. So, which is equal to 50 minus 135 plus of minus 36 by 60. So, 50 minus 135. You have to subtract and write the greater number sign. So, it is minus 85 plus minus 36 by 60. So, it is you are adding two negative integers. So, it should be a negative integer and we have to add them. So, 85 plus 36 is 121 by 60. So, we have obtained minus 121 by 60. This is an improper fraction. So, we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So when you divide 121 by 60, you will get the following mixed fraction: 2 1 by 60. So you need to keep the minus sign as such. So it is minus 2 1 by 60. I hope you all understood addition and subtraction of fractions. Here I have given the assignment sums. Work out the assignment sums and post it in the Google Classroom. Thank you.